I'm joined by the CTO of Airtel Business, Ms. Satkirti M, and she's going to take us through various use cases being showcased here. Satkirti, thank you so much for joining us here. Tell us more about how Airtel is rethinking and reimagining healthcare using these products.
Yeah, thank you so much. I think today, if you look at any patient that's available in home care, so here in our collaboration with Care Nation, what we have in place is basically you have a home kit, and this home kit, what it does is it has a camera. So any patient, be it a diabetic, hypertension, or any heart patient, whatever medication or treatment that he or she is taking. And largely, I think after what we went through to COVID, these were some of the use cases that we thought about and worked together. Is home care today is becoming extremely crucial for patients. So because they really can't step up. So this allows us to actually, for the patient, to take the necessary medical actions at home. And it is captured in the video. Like for example, it's he or she is taking insulin for diabetes. And this is fed back to the end hospital or the doctor who's available. And this feed, when it goes back, there are medical coordinators, etc., who look at it and then inform the doctor if she's doing a great job or there's something that is weird. So thereby it comes back as information saying you've not taken an injection and this is the right way and methodology to do so. This is one entire methodology that we're doing. Then we have another complete care thing that's available as a complete platform that's available where we give a much more complex and critical care unit that we have that's available at the patient's end. So we move forward out here. You can see like you have a high definition camera that's available at the end customer. This is largely for critical care patients who prefer to have something called home ICU. So basically there you will have a camera that monitors all the vitals of the patient. And there are certain requirements such as, they train nurses, etc., who will basically measure the pulse, etc., be it any other, thing. And all of them are Bluetooth enabled. So Airtel today powers through our 5G technology and with collaboration with, Care Nation, giving a much more complex and a complete solution to the end patient so that we have much better healthcare that's available to us.
Well, that was